Let's face it, in the home services industry, a quiet phone line isn't just an inconvenience. It's a financial hemorrhage. You're pouring your heart and soul into providing top-notch service. Your technicians are true craftsmen, and your customers absolutely love you. But if nobody knows about it, what's the point? For years, many of us have been cobbling together marketing strategies like a patchwork quilt. A little bit of Google ads here, some Facebook posts there, maybe a flyer dropped in the mail if you're feeling ambitious. We're juggling spreadsheets, trying to track what's working and what's just burning a hole in our budget. And let's not even talk about trying to personalize communication for hundreds, sometimes thousands of customers. It's enough to make you want to throw your hands up in exasperation and just focus on the wrenches and the wiring. But what if there was a better way? What if you could attract new customers, keep your existing ones coming back for more, and measure the exact return on every marketing dollar you spend, all from one intuitive platform? Imagine a world where your marketing practically runs itself, leaving you more time to do what you do best: provide exceptional home services. Well, that world isn't a fantasy. It's ServiceTitan's Marketing Pro. So what is ServiceTitan's Marketing Pro? In essence, it's a comprehensive, all-in-one marketing automation platform built specifically for home service businesses. It's designed to transform your marketing from a chaotic, fragmented effort into a streamlined, powerful engine for growth. Think of it as your dedicated marketing team working tirelessly 24/7, but without the overhead. Let's break down exactly how Marketing Pro achieves this, because understanding the components is key to grasping its true power. First, Marketing Pro leverages the incredible wealth of data already living within your ServiceTitan account. This is a game changer. Unlike generic marketing tools, Marketing Pro knows your customer service history, their equipment, their preferences, and even their estimated home value. It knows when their HVAC system is due for a tune-up, or when that water heater is nearing the end of its life. This isn't just data, it's actionable data. This deep integration means you can segment your customers with unparalleled precision. You can send targeted messages to homeowners whose furnaces are over 15 years old, or offer preventative maintenance plans to those who just had an emergency repair. No more blasting generic emails to your entire database, hoping something sticks. Instead, you're delivering relevant, timely messages that resonate. Secondly, Marketing Pro empowers you to automate your customer communication like never before. Forget manually sending follow-up emails after a service call, or trying to remember who needs a reminder for their annual inspection. Marketing Pro allows you to set up automated campaigns triggered by specific events or customer segments. Imagine a series of emails automatically going out to new customers welcoming them, providing tips for home maintenance, and gently reminding them about future service needs. Or a win-back campaign automatically reaching out to customers you haven't seen in a while with a special offer. This automation doesn't just save you time. It ensures consistent, professional communication that nurtures customer relationships and keeps your business top of mind. Third, the platform provides powerful tools for creating and managing your email and SMS campaigns. The drag-and-drop email builder makes it incredibly easy to design professional-looking emails without any coding knowledge. You can choose from pre-built templates or create your own, ensuring your branding is consistent. And the ability to send personalized SMS messages means you can reach your customers directly and immediately, whether it's a service reminder, a special promotion, or a quick thank you. The beauty here is the ability to personalize these messages using dynamic fields, so every communication feels tailored to the individual recipient. But Marketing Pro goes beyond just email and SMS. It also helps you supercharge your online reputation management. We all know how critical online reviews are in today's digital landscape. Marketing Pro simplifies the process of soliciting reviews from satisfied customers, directing them to the platforms that matter most to your business: Google, Yelp, Facebook, whatever you choose. This proactive approach to review generation can dramatically improve your star ratings and build trust with potential new customers. Imagine automatically sending a review request to every customer who gives you a 5-star rating on your post-service survey. It's a seamless way to amplify your positive customer experiences. And what about finding new customers? Marketing Pro integrates with Google Local Services ads, helping you optimize your visibility and drive high-quality leads directly to your business. This isn't just about throwing money at ads. It's about intelligent ad management, ensuring your budget is being spent effectively to attract the right kind of customers. Perhaps one of the most compelling aspects of ServiceTitan's Marketing Pro is its robust reporting and analytics. This is where you truly see the return on your investment. You can track open rates, click-through rates, conversion rates, and even the revenue generated from each campaign. No more guessing whether your marketing efforts are paying off. Marketing Pro provides clear, actionable insights that allow you to refine your strategies, double down on what's working, and adjust what isn't. You can see which campaigns are bringing in the most new business, which are best at retaining existing customers, and how your marketing spend is directly impacting your bottom line. This level of transparency is invaluable for making data-driven decisions and proving the ROI of your marketing efforts. Think about the ripple effect of all this. With Marketing Pro, you're not just sending out messages. You're building stronger relationships with your existing customers, increasing their lifetime value, and turning them into raving fans who refer their friends and family. You're also attracting new, high-quality leads by being visible where they're looking and offering them personalized, compelling reasons to choose your business. You're reducing wasted ad spend by targeting your efforts intelligently. And you're freeing up valuable time for your staff to focus on what they do best, providing excellent service. In a competitive market where every call matters, having a sophisticated, integrated marketing solution like ServiceTitan's Marketing Pro isn't a luxury. It's a necessity. It's the engine that keeps your phone ringing, your schedule full, and your business thriving. It's about working smarter, not just harder, to achieve sustainable growth and cement your position as the go-to-home service provider in your area. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.